Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be making a Bluetooth remote using an ESP32. In our previous video, we built a Bluetooth RC car using an ESP32, where we used a smartphone as the remote. But this time, instead of a smartphone, we'll use another ESP32 as the controller. So, let's get started. To build this Bluetooth remote, we'll need an ESP32 development board to act as the transmitter, 4 push buttons to control forward, backward, left, and right movement, a potentiometer to adjust the speed, an LED to indicate Bluetooth pairing status, a breadboard for easy circuit assembly. Now that we have everything ready, let's move on to the circuit connections. As shown in the circuit diagram, we are using an ESP32 development board as the core of our Bluetooth transmitter. Let's go through the connections step by step. You can adjust the GPIO pins according to your Arduino code. Then, we need to power up the ESP32. Make sure to use a stable 3.7-volt battery, an external 5-volt power source, or USB power from a power bank. With all the components connected, our circuit is now ready. Next, let's move on to coding the ESP32 to function as a Bluetooth transmitter. In this code, we set the Bluetooth name as RC car, but you should replace it with your car's Bluetooth name. For the GPIO pins, you can adjust them to match your circuit. When setting up the buttons, remember to use input pull-up for the pin mode. This is crucial because we are not using external pull-up resistors, so we enable the ESP32's internal pull-up resistors instead. Connect your ESP32 to your computer using a USB cable. After selecting the correct board and port, hit the Upload button in the Arduino IDE to upload the code to your ESP32. Turn on both the RC car and the remote, then wait for the devices to connect. Once the connection is successful, you'll see the remote's indicator light up, or you can check the serial monitor. Now, you're ready to play. Comment below with your experience, and don't forget to subscribe for more details. Check the description for additional information. Thank you. Bye-bye.